Today, I'll show you exactly how to open your first trade. The first thing you'll see is the price chart. Start with the basics, the asset. Now comes the trade amount. Next, let's talk expiration time. No fluff, just clear steps, the way a real trader does it. If you've ever opened the IQCent platform and had no idea where to even begin, this video is a must-watch. Today, I'll show you exactly how to open your first trade, how to choose an asset, set your amount, and pick the right expiration time. No fluff, just clear steps, the way a real trader does it, not someone clicking around for fun. A lot of beginners get overwhelmed by all the buttons, charts, indicators, and assets, but it's actually much simpler once you understand the logic. Where to look, what matters, and why you shouldn't just randomly click up or down. So today, we're not just placing a trade, we're breaking down every step so you can really understand how a trader sees it. So get comfortable, hit the like button if you want more IQCent tutorials, and make sure to subscribe to my Telegram. That's where I share daily trades, live analysis, and tips you won't find on YouTube. Let's dive in. Alright, you've logged into IQCent. The first thing you'll see is the price chart. This is the heart of the platform. Everything we do revolves around it. But before you click anything, let's start with the basics, the asset. The asset is the instrument you'll trade. It could be a currency pair, stock, crypto, or a commodity. On IQCent, assets are grouped into categories. If you're just starting out, I recommend going with currency pairs. They're more stable, more predictable, and easier to read. Try something like Euro USD or GBP GPY. Why does this matter? Because a common beginner mistake is choosing an asset without understanding how it behaves. Gold, for example, can be super volatile. Crypto is often unpredictable. Currencies tend to be cleaner and easier to follow, which is perfect when you're just getting started. Okay, you've picked your asset. Now comes the trade amount. This is where things get interesting. You can place a trade with as little as $1 or as much as $1,000, but that's not the point. What matters is that the amount fits your account size and your risk management. If your account is $100, your first trade should be no more than $2 or $3. That's 2-3% of your balance. Why? Because trading isn't about luck, it's about consistency. Your goal isn't to win once, it's to survive long term and keep growing. I see it all the time. Beginners get hyped after their first win. They go all in on the next trade and, well, the market does what it does. So here's the rule. Start small, test your strategy, and get a feel for the market flow. Next, let's talk expiration time. This is the moment your trade automatically closes. If you set it to 1 minute, the system will close the trade in 60 seconds. And you'll see whether prediction was right or not. Your expiration time should match your strategy. If you're using candle analysis and trading quick momentum, go with 1 minute trades. If you're aiming for smoother movements, choose 3 to 5 minutes. The main thing is your chart time frames should match your strategy logic. For example, if you see a clear support level where price has bounced a few times and RSI shows it's oversold, it makes sense to go up with a 1 minute expiration. But if the chart is moving sideways, give it more time, 3 to 5 minutes, so the price has room to pick a direction. IQCent makes the process super simple. You just click up or down, set the time and amount, and wait for the result. But behind that simplicity is logic, and that's what matters most. You're not just clicking a button, you're committing to a decision. It's like a point of no return. You're either in profit or not. So ask yourself, why you're entering this trade? What do you see on the chart? What's RSI saying? Where are the levels? If you can't answer those, don't enter yet. A lot of beginners trade just because price is going up. But price goes up every second. That's not a signal. A signal is a combination of factors confirmed by your own analysis. And the cool thing with IQCent is, it's all very visual. You can add indicators, draw levels, check volumes, and take your time. Remember this, a trade isn't just a click. It's the result of your analysis, your discipline, and your confidence. And once you enter, don't obsess over the chart. Let the market do its thing. Emotions are a trader's worst enemy. At first, the market may look chaotic, but over time, you'll start to notice patterns. And it's trades like this, simple, clear, well thought out, that lay the foundation for consistent trading. That's it. Now you know how to open a trade on IQCent, how to choose your asset, set your amount, and pick the right expiration time. These are the basics, but they build the foundation of your trading journey. If you can master these steps consciously, everything else gets easier. Trading isn't magic and it's not random. It's a skill, and the better you understand the mechanics, the more consistent your results will be. So keep practicing, try different assets, manage your risk, and never enter a trade without a reason. If you want more videos like this, where I don't just talk but actually show how it all works on a live chart, make sure to join my Telegram. That's where I share signals, explain my entries, and break down trades in real time. Remember, every trade is a step toward understanding the market. Just make sure you trade with your head, not with your emotions. See you in the next video.